Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find accounts and backup. Let's tap on it. Right here we've got the section Google Drive. Let's tap on backup data there. And here we've been, of course, transferred to this Google section, Google account section. So let's tap on next. And be aware that if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So just tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You have to also confirm everything with your screen lock if you've got one. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it as fast as I can without mistakes. Let's tap on next. And right here we will have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Simply tap on them to check them and tap on I agree after the reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data, or both. Of course you can do it. I'll choose only this one. Let me tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. Right here we can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, which means that possibly you will avoid some unnecessary charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and from now on your device will back up the data. Of course you have to confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.